Alright, so I just removed this, and guess what? I lost the screw. Here's a nut. There's a mouse trap. And got my screw back there. Yep, there's my screw. I can't get to it. Oh, motherfucker. Okay. I'll be right back. Alright, so I have this broken magnetic tip. That's even just alone I wasn't going to be able to get it, but there it is. I'm going to keep it for the next one, because you know me, the next one's going to happen. Ooh. Tá bom? Tá bom? Now, this is my real problem, is putting it in after. It's not bad. It's dusty, but it's not bad. I'm going to take out this one here and one on the other side. Let me open this up, make sure everything is clean in there. Don't need that fan have buildup again. Wow, looks actually very, very clean. Yeah, it looks pretty clean. I'm happy. This has to tell me more because I can't. Alright guys, help me out. I can't see anything, but I don't know how dirty and clean it is. Good enough, right? Right. Alright, I'll put the new filter in. Okay, so that's in. Doesn't go down there, but I guess that'll do for today. I like it. It's a very tight squeeze for some reason, but everything's in. It's all good in the end. It's the right size. Just everything's always tight.